I started 1 year ago. Ang pick up ay nagsimula when I received a call from, ngayon ay co-founder ko na, his name is Jason Chua, is also a fellow Filipino. And sabi niya, Dave, pwede ba tayong mag-build ng technology ride-hailing app na para naman mabigyan natin ng magandang services at better choices ang ating mga kapwa Pilipino. And sabi natin how serious we are with that. That was 1 year ago. And fast forward today that we are fully ready na may open ang ating pick-up. Bakit pick-up? Gusto namin magkaroon ng magandang experience. Everything is about the experience. And pick-up, para kang sumilip, smooth. So meaning, smooth ride. So that will be starting with our cars. We have 4-seaters. We have about 6-seater passengers. So dahil sa tingin natin, mayroon pang kulang na kailangan, especially during the times na mga rush hours. And at the same time, alam nyo, importante dito yung affordability. And safety is our primary concern. Una sa lahat, our edge over the competition is very obvious. It's 100% Filipino. Therefore, we're bringing the culture and the best of the culture of the Filipino. Number one, yung pagiging hospitable natin. And we are well known for that. We would like to give that na pag nasakyan ninyo, di ba? May experience ninyo, maganda ang feeling ninyo. Yun yung gusto na, yun yung talagang dinadala ni Pickup. That hospitality, that 100% Filipino culture, that best culture that we fully understand what Filipinos wanted. We believe if we focus on that experience and services for our users and our passengers, it is a game changer. Regardless of how good the technology or the app, it is all about the service ultimately. And among others, we're 100% Filipino. Alam natin kung ano ang gusto ng Pilipino. Kami po'y humihiling na sana'y tangkilikin natin ang sariling 100% Filipino technology company na kagaya ng Pickup, na may pagmamalaki po ninyo nang hindi po namin kayo ipapahiya at mabibigyan kayo ng 5-star service. Yan po ang daladala at bitbit ng Pickup para sa buong Pilipinas. Kami po'y lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyo at sana suportahan po natin ang sariling ating 100% Filipino-owned Pickup, the new ride-hailing app sa buong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.